Peak Timers. Today we're going to be opening up this brand new Hot Wheels 20 pack, and they're going to be going through these loops in a head-to-head drag race tournament. Let's find out who's the fastest. For race number 1, we've got the BMW M2 versus the Mazda Fiore. And our track is all set. On your mark, get set, go! Ford absolutely destroys the Lamborghini, crossing that line and taking the win. A nice pairing for race number 9. It's the Nissan 370Z versus the Ford Mustang Shelby. Here they go. On your mark, get set, go! And across the line, it's the American-powered Mustang that takes the win. And we're all set for the last race of our first round, race number 10, the custom Datsun 240Z versus the 67 Chevelle. It's another JDM versus muscle car. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Big crash at the finish line, and it's the Datsun that comes across and takes the win. And we're off to the semifinals, and our first round matchup in our semifinals is the BMW M2 versus the custom Datsun 240Z. These cars look fast. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And across the line, it's the BMW M2 that takes the win. An exciting next matchup, it's Corvette versus Mustang, the Corvette Stingray versus the Ford Mustang Shelby. Here they are, on your mark, get set, go! And across the line, it's the Mustang that just edges out the Corvette to take the win. Race number 3 of our semifinals is the Roadster versus the 32 Ford. An interesting matchup. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And just edging out the Roadster is the 32 Ford, which takes the win. And our fourth matchup in our semifinals is the Ford Ranchero versus the Rev Rod. Which car is gonna move on? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Rev Rod that just crosses the finish line ahead of the Ranchero to take the win. And our last semi-final matchup is the Honda CRX versus Power Pipes. Let's see who's moving on. On your mark, get set, go! And it's a sprint to the finish line, but it's Power Pipes that crosses the line first and takes the win. And we're off to round 3, and our first matchup is Power Pipes versus the BMW M2. Both these cars are really fast, but let's see who takes this one. On your mark, get set, go! And the BMW M2 takes another win and moves on to our next round. Our next matchup is the Mustang Shelby versus the Rev Rod. Here they are all lined up. On your mark, get set, go! And across the line, it's the Rev Rod that takes the win and moves on to our next round. Since there's no car for the 32 Ford to race in this round, we're automatically adding in the brand new custom Ford Mustang Golf Edition. Let's get to the race. Can the Mustang upset the 32 Ford? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! And at the finish line, somehow the 32 Ford crosses the line to get the light, but then crashes, but it still takes the win, eliminating the Mustang. Our first race in round number 4 is the 32 Ford versus the Rev Rod. Here they go. On your mark, get set, go! Across the line, it's the 32 Ford that takes the win. And for our next matchup, we've got the BMW M2, but since we have an odd number of cars again, let's put the BMW M2 against the McLaren Senna. An automatic bye to this round. Let's see who wins. Here they are. On your mark, get set, go! And across the line, it's the BMW M2 that takes the win. And here we are at our finals, the BMW M2 versus the 32 Ford. Comment down below which one do you think is gonna take the win. Here they are, our final race. On your mark, get set, go! And across the line, it's the 32 Ford that takes the win and is our champion. Congratulations to the 32 Ford for taking the win. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car that raced today.